Hi, my name is Evan Houston, and I'm a member of Kelley Solutions Incorporated, here to give you exciting new ways for you to interact with your customers and for them to interact with you. Kelley Solutions Incorporated is a group of 8 extremely dedicated and passionate students here to present you our ideas for improving your business. Over the course of this presentation, we will not only give you recommendations, but also provide an implementation plan and ways to reduce the type of risk that is associated with this sort of investment. You've come to us to give you new and exciting ways on how to not only increase customer engagement with fully abled people, but with those who have disabilities, specifically those with vision impairment. We as a team all thought very passionately about the issues that you are trying to address and figured we'd make some goals of our own. Our first was to make sure our recommendation expanded on existing ALDI technologies, both for the simplicity and to reduce costs. The second was to provide everyone, not just those with disabilities, a revolutionary new way to shop that not only gave customers a greater sense of independence while shopping, but also allowed customers to get help at the touch of a button.
Our group came up with 2 customer-facing features to improve customer engagement and customer outreach. The first feature deals with improvements to the ALDI app, such as audible response feature for all text on the ALDI app, along with improved QR codes that can give audible description of the product once scanned. This will help customers with vision disabilities and customers that struggle with reading small print on products. The second feature we are proposing is a Get Help button that will be implemented into the ALDI app. This will fulfill any customer needs, especially the needs of the disabled customers. The Get Help button would use geofencing to locate which store and where the customer is in that store. Once the Get Help button is pressed by a customer, this notifies any ALDI employee that is in the store that a customer is in need.
After getting familiar with the recommendations, let's take a look at the financial data. Here's our estimation on the forecast cost and our suggestion on how to monitor these effects through KPIs. We use 5 components framework on this. Our estimation on the cost for first year is just about $437,000 US. Since our recommendations are designed to minimize the cost spent on initial costs and such as investments on new hardwares, in the second year, the number is only expected to decrease $32,000, which is only about 9%. Besides that, number of application users and customer rating given by customers are 2 main KPIs we use to monitor these effects. What's more, customer segments with disabilities are also expected to rise.
Here we have the implementation stage. So the first 3 weeks are going to be putting this application inside of the app. The application is the audible response app. The next 3 weeks will be the training stage for all of the employees. The employees will be tested over all of this, and we're going to get all the bugs out of this application. On week 7 and week 8, the application will be ready for use. Our second recommendation is the Get Help button. The first 3 weeks are going to be building and putting this inside of the application. Week 4 and week 5 is the marketing stage to put this all around stores and to let everyone know what this is and how to use it. With weeks 6, 7, and 8, the app will be achieved all functions and will be in use in all stores.
Now, let's evaluate the risks. The first risk is the application failure at its designing stage. ALDI is likely to experience this problem without external help. We suggest hiring application developers or other specialists through tech consulting companies could solve this risk. The second risk is the usage of 2 features doesn't reach our expectation. This problem is also likely to happen since our target customer segments is the ones with disabilities, which is not the majority. More marketing resources are required to put in, and marketing strategies need to be adjusted to promote these functions. The third risk is the initial investment spent on hardwares. In order to solve this, our features will adapt to ALDI's existing application and information system. Both features aim to minimize the cost of spend on initial investments.
We as a team believe that these proposed changes not only reach ALDI's goal of increased customer engagement, but that these changes can truly make a difference in people's lives for the better. These recommendations don't address every single issue that arises from shopping with a disability, but they do allow those customers to have a sense of independence and an extremely easy way to get help if they need it. We hope that you will take our recommendations to heart and allow us a chance to not only improve your business's customer engagement, but to also make an activity such as shopping just that much easier for those that need it.